Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Talim for Everyone. I am here again with another important and interesting topic. Now let's see. Okay, now if you see, here it is mentioned that hospital bill total rupees 350,000. Okay, means a family or a person needs to pay this amount. Now let's see further. Now another slip we have in which it is mentioned that no need to pay anything means paid rupees zero. Means in previous slide, a person needs to pay rupees 350,000. But in this, person needs to pay nothing, zero rupees. So how is this possible? Think about it. Maybe can a family really avoid paying such a huge hospital bills? Is there something that protects people from these costs? Think about these questions. What system helps when unexpected medical emergencies happen? So, yes, there is a something that protects people from these costs. Yes, there is something with that people really avoid paying such a huge hospital bills. Yes, there is a system that helps when unexpected medical emergencies happen. So, it is called as nothing but health insurance. So, that's the system which helps families avoid paying very large hospital bills, protects people from unexpected medical costs, supports patient during emergencies without wiping out their savings. So yes, today the topic we have to discuss is health insurance, and we will further solve a problem based on health insurance. Okay, so the topic insurance I have taken from chapter number 6, 6B, D2 8th edition. So, what is health insurance? Health insurance, like other forms of insurance, is a form of collectivism by means of which people collectively pool their risk. In this case, the risk of incurring medical expenses means it is nothing but it is a system where people pay a small amount regularly, called a premium, means annually, so that maybe annually or maybe monthly, so that when they get sick or injured, the company helps pay their hospital and medical bills. Means instead of paying a very huge amount or a very big bill all at once, you share the cost with an insurance company. The company collects money from many people and then uses it to help those who need treatment. This way, families are protected from certain high medical expenses and can get treatment without worrying about money. This is all about health insurance. Okay, so now let's proceed. Here is 6B, question number one. Question number one is this. Lating buys a life insurance policy of PKR rupees 620,000 at the rate of 2.8% per annum. Per annum means yearly, means per year. Okay, so find the amount of annual premium she has to pay. Means Leating is a person, she needs to buy or she buys an insurance policy of a total rupees 620,000 and at the rate of 2.8% per year. So how much amount she has to basically pay at the end of every year in order to get this amount? So the formula is yearly premium, means annual premium, is equal to 2.8% multiplied by insurance amount. Okay, so insurance amount. So 2.8 over 100 multiplied by insurance amount is PKR 620,000, right? So these two zero cancel out. Now you may directly put these values in calculator. So you will get 2.8 multiplied by 6,200. So you will get 17,360. 17,360 that she needs to pay annually. Okay, now let's proceed further. Nadia, this is question number 7 from 6B. Nadia pays a premium rate of 3% per annum on a life insurance. Okay. And if her total premium payable over 5 years means she has to pay 3% rate of 3% per annum, but she needs to pay overall her amount um, in the time period of 5 years, over 5 years, is PKR rupees 67,500. Calculate the value of her life insurance. It means that time period is given, that is 5 years. Next thing is that rate is given, and insurance amount we have to find, and whereas annually premium amount is already given, that is 67,500. So total amount we have to find. Total insurance amount means total premium payable. Sorry, total premium payable is already given, means you can say that, let me change its wordings again. Yearly premium is given, means annually premium is given. So yearly premium is given, that is equal to 2.8, sorry, not 2.8, but 3%. 3% multiplied by total 5 year multiplied by insurance amount. Basically, we have to find insurance amount. In previous question, insurance amount was given, and we need to find yearly premium amount. So yearly premium amount is 67,500 PKR, and it is equal to 3%, means 3 over 100, right? Multiply by 5, multiply by insurance. Now look at over here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0 as it is. Now this is, if you see, this is 3 over 20 multiplied by 1, that remains same, 3 over 20, but 3 over 20 multiplied by insurance amount. So we have to shift these numbers towards left hand side. So 20 would be multiplied by this number and 3 would be divided by this number. So you can say that 67,500 PKR multiplied by 20 divided by 3, it is equal to insurance amount Now let me calculate it. So 67,500 multiplied by 20 divided by 3. So it is 450,000. So total insurance amount she received for 5 year against 67,500 at a rate of 3% per annum is 450,000. So this is all about question number 7. Yes, now let's proceed. Here I'm going to solve practice now 8 as well. Okay. So practice now 8, question number 1. Question number 1. Raju buys a life insurance valued at PKR 400,000. Means this is insurance amount. If the premium rate is 2.5%, what is the premium Raju pays every year? Means we have to find yearly premium. So yearly premium, it is equal to, that is 2.5% per annum multiplied by 400,000. Okay, so it is equal to 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied by PKR 400. These two zeros cancel out with these two zeros. Now it is left with 2.5 multiplied by 400. So the answer is 1,000. PK. Uh, okay. 2.5% multiplied by 400. Sorry, I did made a, probably I have made a mistake. 400,000. It was three zeros. Sorry. Let me correct it. It's 400,000. So two zeros cancel out. So it is left with 2.5 multiplied by 4,000. So it is left with 10,000, right? So it means that he needs to pay yearly 10,000 PKR. Okay. 2.5% multiplied by 400,000. So it is 10,000. Hopefully it is clear to everybody. Now, next, let's proceed towards another question. Question number 2 of this practice now. For this, I am going to erase this question. Now, question number 2 says that Joyce has a life insurance of PKR 600,000. Okay, means he has about a life insurance of PKR rupees 600,000, on which she has to pay 21,000 every year. But we have to find the premium rate. How can we find? Now let's proceed. So it is nothing but yearly premium. It is equal to yearly premium. It is equal to premium rate. Premium rate. Premium rate means, like for example, n percent. So premium rate over 100 multiply by PKR. No, not PKR. ये यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, मैं आई एम राइटिंग formula. Basically I am generating formula, basically. So yearly premium is equal to premium rate over 100 multiplied by life insurance, means insurance amount. Now we have to put the values and get the answer. So yearly premium is 21,000 PKR. That is equal to premium rate is unknown. I am writing PR over 100 multiplied by insurance amount, that is 600,000, right? So I hope so it's clear to everybody. Now next is what I am going to do. I'm going to cancel these two zeros with these two zeros. Now it is left with only 6,000. Okay, I'm going to shift this 6,000 over here. It will be divided by 21,000. So PR means premium rate is equal to 21,000 divided by 600, sorry, 6,000. So these three zeros cancel out. 3 to the 0. Sorry, 3 to the 6. Sorry, my mistake. 3 to the 6 and 3 sevens are 21. And it is left with 7 over 2. This is manual calculation we can do. We don't need to use calculator over here. So 7 over 2. 2, 3 is a 6. 7 minus 6 is a 1 point. We have place and then add 0. So 2 5 is 10. So cancel out. So PR, that is premium rate, is equal to 3.5%. So I hope so the topic is clear to everybody. In this topic, we try to find out premium rate, we try to find out yearly premium, we try to find out insurance amount. Okay, and only one formula we have we have used over here, that is yearly premium is equal to premium rate over 100 multiplied by insurance amount. For every question we have used this question. Okay, so I hope so the topic is clear to everybody. Now I am going to erase it all so that we can end the lesson. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Allah Hafiz.